kind of good.
Everybody, first of all, give a round of applause for our mothers. Thank you for coming to support us on our show. Everybody, stop! Everybody, say yeah! Say Hello, are you guys having a good time?
Yeah, you know we are.
Now let's get back to work.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Thank you so much.
I'ma dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands above me.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Whew. Excellencies, thank you so much for coming. Thank you for supporting us. I just want to recognize you all. So, I wish my performance was longer, but guys, I've been trying to get everybody else ready. And then I was like, oh yeah, I have a performance. So, I hope you enjoyed the show. I just want to quickly recognize some of the people. First of all, I want to start with our sponsors.
still boys growing, and at some point, life's different poles wrap around her, trying to put that fire inside her. For fire is a stranger in the sea, and she, like a lion that she is, regardless of that you can and you can't, fighting it, and at some point it feels like she's drowning in doubts and what ifs, wondering if it's really worth it. But she, like the lioness that she is, she couldn't just swim like any other fish. She had to walk, to run, to move.
I'll never leave your side. Right now, what you need to my baby. Looking up to them, people weeping. Deep down on the wall, see the shadows. Pretty girl for me. So, tricky, I'm down my hands. Tell me that you never leave me again. I'm seeing it, pretty girl for me. So, tricky, I'm down my hands.